Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to set up and use Genmoji on your Mac. It's a fun feature that lets you create custom emojis using AI. Let's dive in. First, we need to check if your Mac is compatible with Genmoji. Head up to the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and click on About this Mac. In the pop-up window, find the chip section. If it says Apple M chip followed by a number, your Mac supports Genmoji. If it says Intel, unfortunately, you won't be able to use this feature. Also, make sure your Mac is updated to macOS 15.3 or later. To check this, click on the Apple logo again and select System Settings. In System Settings, click on General and then Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. As you can see, I'm already running the latest version, macOS Sonoma 15.3 as of recording this. Okay, now that we've confirmed compatibility and updated our software, let's get started with setting up and using Genmoji. Open the Messages application and select an existing contact or create a new message. Next, click on the emoji icon in the bottom right corner of the message window. The emoji window will pop up. Now, click on the Genmoji icon, which is another emoji icon located to the right of the search bar within the emoji window. Since this is your first time using it, an information card about Genmoji will appear. Read through the information and then click Continue. Alright, Genmoji is now ready to use. In the text field, simply describe the emoji you want to generate. For example, I'm going to type a cake with legs and arms. As you type, the system will automatically start generating a few emoji options. If you're not happy with the initial results, click on the right arrow to see more options. Keep clicking until you find an emoji you like. It will keep generating new options. If you want to refine your search, just change the description. Let's say I want a blue cake. I'll change the description to a blue cake with arms and legs. Again, it will automatically generate new emoji based on my updated description. Once you find an emoji you like, select it, and then click Add in the top right corner. After a few seconds, the Genmoji will be added to the text field. Now you can send it to your contacts, and they'll be able to see your custom creation. Want to reuse a Genmoji you've already created? Click on the emoji icon again, and then click on the sticker icon in the bottom left corner of the emoji window. This will display all of your previously created Genmoji. Just select the one you want to use. If you want to delete a Genmoji, go back to the list of your Genmoji, right-click on the emoji you want to remove, and select Delete. That's it, it's gone. So that's how you set up and use Genmoji on your Mac. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.